Got a little bit of brush in my highlight. Good. We can use the small or big edge, whatever. And you can kind of pull them off. See there? It goes off through there. Dark. Put that little edge right back on. See that? It gives all kinds of little effects and things. It makes it look like mist blowing off of the mountaintop. Look at there. Every little detail helps on these things, so don't be afraid to put them in there. Look, I'll put some light over top of that. Maybe that goes down in there. There's just wind blowing some snow off, whatever, on that mountain there, the rocks, whatever. Okay, all that's looking good. Let me grab a little bit of dark, because I kind of want a little bit of the dark right in here. See that? It's just, there we go, there we go. Coming right on down through there. Just like that. Now we got a rough edge we need to take care of, in my mind. That's coming down through there. Look. See that? There we go. And that little dark spot's right on the other side of that. That's what we was trying to get there. Some of these things sometimes give you a little bit of a fit. You just have to work with them. Maybe that's kind of pushing that. I'm going to soften that, make that look flat. See it? Just grab it and pull that down. See that? A little bit of the light. And you can use different variations of highlights to work this if you want. I'm just smushing that in. Look, see there? Now there's a little bit of light coming right in through there. So it gives all that a nice look. Alright, I think we got some beautiful mountains going. Grab the old filbert brush here. A little bit of blue, a little bit of brown. Alright. And let's see. Maybe I can't make my mind up which way I want to go, so we'll figure out something here. Maybe this way. Just bring this over. Bring some land down this way right here. See that? Like that. You know, we about could put a little lake back there, couldn't we? Almost looks like one. But that, just kind of bait that down. Not too far, just about that much right there. Get some, so we can get some stones in there. And let's grab the old knife. Grab a little bit of Van Dyke brown. Go right here into that. Let's grab a little bit of that blue in there. That light, white and blue mixture that we use for that. Something like that. I think that's a good color. And we'll add a little bit of the black and brown to the side here and make a darker mixture. See that? It's a little, got light and dark. All right. We can. Well, I'll tell you what. Since that knife makes things look close, let's grab the old filbert that we had that dark on. I'm going to grab some of this, and I'm just going to paint it on with a filbert so it looks a little farther away. It's kind of muted. That knife makes it look like it's a little more detailed close, so this will help. See that? Just going to pull that. Maybe like that. You can put this on with a fan if you want to. Alright. Now let's grab I got a number 2 fan brush. Let's grab some of the sap green, some of the blue, and some of the black.